Madison Adam Bowen, my handsome groom, my best friend, and the love of my life. We are finally here, our wedding day.
Mallory, my best friend and the woman of my dreams. I knew one day I would always marry you. I just didn't know today would be the day. Goodness. You look gorgeous.
Thank you. Thank you.
Try not to cry.
In the almost 9.5 years that we have been together, we have been able to experience so much.
You make me a better man in every way, always pushing me to be the best version of myself.
I love how big your heart is, that you would give this shirt off your back if asked without a second thought, and that you're always willing to help when someone needs it.
You're kind and warm-hearted, always putting others before yourself. You're a caretaker at heart, always looking out for everyone, especially me.
Welcome, friends and family, to a ceremony of Mallory, Madison, their love, their commitment for one another.
I, Madison, take you, Mallory, to be my wife.
I, Mallory, take you, Madison, to be my husband. I give you my life, my love, and my faithfulness. I will grow with you, dream with you, and stand by your side for all our days. I love the way that you love me. Forever will never be long enough, and I'm the luckiest woman in the world to be loved and chosen by you.
I cannot wait to grow old, making many memories along the way, and to starting a family together one day. I'm so happy I get to call you my wife. I'm truly a blessed man. I have always loved you, Mallory, and I will continue to always love you.
Madison, you are not just my soon-to-be husband. You are my home. You are my peace. You are my heart. You are my safe place, and you are the best thing that has ever happened to me. I cannot wait to marry you and become your wife. I love you forever and then some.
Me too.
Love you.
Don't let go. There ain't no love that's like go. Take me home. I'm holding